My outfit for today. I don't like being a fat chud, but whatever.
I'm a chud, I'm a fat little chud.
What is this? No one's spending $50 on this. Nobody is doing that. I promise you.
Yeah, they already got the gold and already. Yeah.
Wait, flush
they don't need
toilet
more gold.
level? Oh my gosh, the controls?
They don't need more gold than this.
Yes, bro, what is this? How much stuff have they... What even is that? How much stuff have they added?
Still have the sheep.
Is this variety?
Oh.
Wait. That was weird. Oh my gosh. Why is he chasing me? Yeah, come at me. Let's go. I'll beat you up.
Did he die?
Yeah. I'm never touching that thing ever again. Give me my hook shot.
You can kill yourself with the drill.
Wait, I literally could have just... Yo. Alright, let's go,
Did it kill you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go this way.
Wait. I thought we were going to space.
What the heck is this?
Oh, it's
I think this is space.
Haha, you're it. Ooh,
Wait, what do we do? Wait, this literally says Yeeps hide and seek on the inside.
Yeeps hide and seek? Oh yeah.
Okay, wait. How do we... This seems to be the thing that launches us to space. Do I go in here? What do I... Wait, do I press
No, I think you're going here.
I pressed the button, right? Whoa! Oh, crap.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, for a second I thought we broke it. For a second I thought we just went off the map and, you know, doomed.
What is this, yo? Oh!
Plug.
Maybe now I can.
Yo. I don't think I can get back.
Why?
It's too hard. It's too hard to swim back.
I'm swimming into a black hole. Yo! I'm swimming into a black hole. Stupid walkie-talkie, dude. Let's go. I'm going in. Oh crap. Whoa.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm going in a black hole.
Wait.
Huh? Wait. Huh? I died.
I don't see you near any black hole.
What?
Yo, I don't think I can make it.
Where are you?
Alright, now I made it back.
Yo, you better get on my car. Dude! Yo, dude!
What's up?
Yo, hop on my whip.
How'd you get that? How'd you
Hop on my
get
whip.
that, my God?
Wait, can you grapple on the whip? Grapple onto it, okay? Let's go.
Yo! My G! Can I get burned?
Oh my god, I'm no clipping through the car.
Vehicles. Cool.
Yeah. Look, there's a vehicle right here for you.
Oh, there's way more. There's way more.
What is this? Can I, like, put these
Nothing
onto
a crowbar
this?
can fix.
Oh, wait.
It's right there. You need a wrench. You need a wrench.
Okay.
Nothing a repair wrench can fix.
Whoa!
That's a shield.
That's
Let's
cool.
go. Oh, we can. Oh, we can fire
Ooh, this
off
is
the monsters.
cool. Yo. Okay, wait, then we gotta destroy this. But anyway, wait, why would we need... There's no monsters here, though.
No, there's the aliens. Remember the ship we found?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's why.
This is where I
We
respawn.
gotta fight it off.
I guess this is... Oh, wait. So that's where we go back. But we're not going back yet. Let's kill aliens, and then I gotta go, because my view is low. Get ready.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
Oh dang. Let's go.
Wait, let me explore. Oh, you stay here. I'll tell you what's in. It's real dark. It's real dark. You don't want to go there. You don't have to.
Just. I told you.
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, that thing
All
is
I want
dark.
to do. It all.
What?
What you doing?
Yeah,
Yo. Hi, buddy, Mikey. I'm playing.
Uh-oh.
Are you jealous that he's popular?
Hello.
Are you jealous that he's popular?
I'm just asking.
Player drags.
Wait, I need to find Goop. Wait,
Where are we then? Where are we then?
Little spawn.
We're not in spawn, but okay. Alright, I'm just gonna grab a bag. A tiny, let me just grab a medium-sized bag. Give me that. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Wait. I need the flashlight. Where?
The flashlight's in my bag.
Okay.
So you can actually grab on now. Alright.
Yay!
Oh! Oh god.
For some. With on my.
Oh god! I just saw something.
Go back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!